another name.
Vlog F first time meeting new friends.
Ulan naman siya sa kabalo ba? Ulan naman siya sa di ba nag-anbaya ka na pag-anak mo? Di Christian, di Angela, di ba? Dapat
Kasi bago? No way!
Inom sa kuto.
Ay, kaya bilang papa, di.
Ay, siya rin kanina. Wala na siya sa... Ano? Asan ta? Kanina lang ta? Huwag lang,
Wala ko. Asan siya?
Nag-crash
team. Kuan, glacier. Itong road. Sige lang, ayan na yun na. Just mama, ayun na. Matay ko na. Ikaw mo lang mag-ano wedding. Parang
Follow me daw. Pulutan niya, oh. Pulutan niya. Follow me daw. Follow ka sa panig niya. Uy, master siya, oh. What name do you prefer? Apan?
No, pwede.
Ap?
We are here to play.
No. I don't understand. I'm sorry. What do you mean by that? Ay, but can you understand English? It's okay. Forgot na remote siya sa English yan. I think we'll call you, how do we call it? I don't understand you. I'm so sorry.
Ay, sa din yung saka.
Di manggod nakasaka manggod mo ang ina o the Philippines. Me, Shomai, and then Ali are from the Philippines. Also Wentereta. She's from... Did you understand that? Oh, you're from Indonesia. Very nice. I want to go there someday. Wait, how old are you? 20? 20? What do you mean by Grim? No, I only know Grim Reaper. How, how do you do that? Like that? How do you hug? Oh, yes. Awa do, nag-adapt na ko bata, diri. I'm so tall. Wait. No. So cute. So your character is so cute. I like your outfit and your hair and your earmuffs.
Hello.
Oh, Shomai is here. Hello.
Shomai is not my name, by the way.
I'm Shomai. That's Shomai in Bisaya. You know, Xiaomi. Shomai. Uy, heal ka niya dun. Oh, amazing. Wow! Thank you, Lord.
Ano ba? Ang ganda niya. Guys.
Oh, no. Okay, let's go. Aling line. Line. Patapin. Asa si Kuan? Ambot lang.
Where are you, my friend?
Pero, oy. Ah? Oh, namatay ka, uy. Oh, namatay ka.
Ano?
Naligid ko. Hello, my friend. Come on.
Asa man ni Agi?
Kuwan siya. Apan? That's right. That's right. Apan, right? Apan. Apan.
Apan your name?
You know? Apan, like, you know? Apan, my friend. Apan, my friend. You know, Katsay? Gabriela?
Oo, na yung nakaapan niya eh.
Ulo, racist!
Ah, gusto ko, friend.
Racist! My friend, Apan ka mo rin. Kung may didinoy.
Didn't wait. What do you mean?
Oh, another name. Isa to kay baby oil.
Baby oil.
Hindi isa to. PGD. PGD. Oh my God. Pangamatay. Ayaw mo ka laugh out diha. Kasi mo pangamatay. Naghanap mga ulo. Isa to natagak. Mi. Okay, let's go. Mi. Kapunin lang. Let's go, my friend. Apan.
Ano, stop ta?
Happy Didi Nonoy. Ang sa happy. Oh, you are happy? Happy birthday? Are you happy, Didi Noy? Nga, umang kayang ending ba? Kag Pinoy rin din si ko. Inamaw mo na iya. Inamaw din na. Pinoy rin. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. My friend, come on, my friend. Cross the bridge. My friend, come on. Plan for. What do you plan? What plan for what? Look. What nilahos? What the hell, ni? Nilahos na sila. Si Ate Hana. Ate Hana. Oh no, my friend is so... Oh my God, man. Yeah, oh. Can you revive? Sama ni siya, uy. Yan lahos magkada. Mag-chika pa. Last man standing siya. Laisa na nawa pa na risk.
Dapat din si Elmo?
Wait, in country, is it already near? Is it near? Didinoy, is it near?
Kita
Is
sa niya?
country near?
Ganyan.
Oh, na-sacrifice siya para na to, guys. Una lang daw ta. Kuyog daw mo, Erica. I'm cute ka. That's all. Yes, your avatar is cute.
Yes, your character.
But I'm cute in real life, my friend. You want to see? You have to buy Robux.
Search.
Joke only. Joke
You
only.
should,
Joke only.
search your...
You want to see me, my friend? Search Lindsay. Hello. Oh, ato tubig yung energy.
Ni ako, lo.
O araman na dam.
Hey, my water is only
Ako ang again.
How?
Oh my God, thank you, my friend. You have kept me hydrated, my friend. I will not die. I will not go to the hospital. My friend, my friend, are we near my friend?
Hindi siya masturya.
But
Ano?
during the evening, we can play during the evening because we have classes. Is that okay with you, friend?
Off na ko.
Yes. Tomorrow again. 10 p.m. in your time zone. Teman ko, ayo main besok jam 10 malam. We used to Google Translator. Ayo main besok jam 10 malam. Did you understand it? We used Google Translate. Alright. 10 p.m. tomorrow. 10 p.m.
Hindi oras na guys, karon.
Selamat tinggal temanku ini siomay. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. We'll play again tomorrow tomorrow evening.
Kasi oras na yung klase.
What's Papay? Is it bye? Papa daw. Ay, that's Papa. No! That's Papay. Indonesia ba siya, di ba? Papay, bye-bye. Oh. Bye, my friend. Why is it here? Selamat tinggal.
Hindi, sa oras na yung hangan guys.
Selamat tinggal.
Dialect
Good night. See you tomorrow. We will play again now. We will play again. Selamat malam. Okay, we will start now. Bye, my friend. 11 pa sila. Bye-bye. Let's see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. We will play again tomorrow. Again. We'll play again tomorrow, okay? Okay, bye.
Sino di yung idagdag?
Santi, maot na ko ulit. Sa'yo pa may ugma. Bye. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Checkpoint mo kayo. Bye.
Bye.